Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today you join me here for another hotel room tour. This time I am here at the AC Hotel here in Belfast, just by the dock area, near the Titanic Museum, the stadium here and the kind of W5 museum area just across the road as well. So it's a really lovely location here. It's the perfect hotel if you want maybe a pre-cruise stay. Lots of good facilities around. It's a nice hotel. There's a restaurant, a gym, all that kind of lovely stuff here. But for now, what I'm going to do now is flip the camera around and I'll show you the room here.
Welcome back to the channel.
Ready for another cruise? Let's go! So starting as always behind the door, you do have information about the fire exit plan here for the particular floor and room. You do have a nice little lock here as well as a little latch down here to control the door lock. You get behind the door information about the breakfast. You can order breakfast here and place that outside your room before 1 o'clock for it to be delivered to your room, and you get a do not disturb sign. There is a little peephole as well up here to look through as well prior to opening the door. On the right hand side you do get a little key card slot there that activates the power for the room. Air conditioning controls, and the AC in here is very good. You can possibly hear it running in the background there just above me, but it is really good, makes the room nice and cool. A couple of light switches here to control the lights to the room, and then just here on the right here you have the bathroom area as you come in. So you do get a really good sized walk-in shower just here with 2 shower heads as well, so you have a really powerful one just here as well as the little handheld. Over here on the left hand side you do get shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, as well as a little slot over there for toiletries. In the main portion of the bathroom you do get a little toilet. They put the bath mat next to the toilet originally, but obviously you can pop that down just here in front of the shower area. You get a toilet over there in the corner, and then round here to the right hand side is your kind of vanity area, sink area for the room. You get a nice large mirror just there with lighting, and over here you do get some more towels, as well as a shower cap, shoe mitten, extra kind of lotion or what have you for the room. And they also put some more up here again, so you've got kind of a set there for each of you if you were staying as a couple. You get tissues in here, some soap, a little hand towel, as well as some glasses for the room. There are more towels as well just here on the towel rack over there for the shower, and you just get a little card here about you know, leaving the towels hung up if you want to reuse them, or on the floor if you want them replaced. Just doing a little bit for the environment. As we walk out into the main portion of the room, you have got this nice large full-size mirror just here that you can use obviously to help you get ready. And as we go into the main kind of portion of the room, as you can see here, I've got kind of 2 queen-size beds here at the moment, and they are a nice comfy bed. The mattresses are very soft, the pillows are nice and soft as well, nice plump pillows, and it is a nice little room as well, really nice and light, really airy, really like the room. Looking here to the left of the bed over here, you do get plug sockets as well as USB ports on the left hand side, light switches for the room just there, and obviously the light area and bedside reading lamp. On the left hand side here is your wardrobe for the room, so you do get a little safe as you'd expect in most hotels, more hand towels, shower towels, etc. there, as well as some additional storage space in the drawers here. Your hairdryer in this one, and there is also a little plug socket back there to plug it in there if you wish. Again, more storage down there, as well as a little laundry bag, and in here you'll find plenty of hangers. As you can see, I've used mine there for some work trousers, but you also have an ironing board. Again, plenty of storage space in there. You could keep a suitcase in there, something like that, and you also have the additional space up the top just here. The next kind of part of the room, again, you've got another queen size bed there. There's no nightstand in the middle of those 2 beds, but you have got one on either side. On this one over here at the moment, again, you've got USB ports as well as plug sockets, light switches, a little pen and notepad, a TV remote and the phone for the room. This bed here also does have another little bedside reading lamp just there, as well as your little lamp there. You do get a nice little table area in the room here as well by the window. This particular room hasn't got a particularly great view, but I will show you some of it in just a moment. But you have got a nice little table area that, as you can see, you can set up to do work on now if you want, like I am, as well as 2 chairs. And then as we kind of move over towards the right of the room, in front of the bed, this is the kind of storage space, tea and coffee making facilities. You do get a little fridge down here with glasses, the bin for the room, tea and coffee making facilities with a kettle there, and they also do kindly give you various different tea bags, English breakfast, coffee, little milk pots as well. So it's a nice little setup here for making hot drinks. And then over here, just underneath the TV, you've got this little kind of bench area. I've used it for luggage, obviously, so I put my luggage on there, and that's quite a handy little place to kind of pack or unpack. And you have the TV there for the room as well. Nice sized TV, wall mounted, good brand, good quality, and obviously you can enjoy that from the comfort of your beds just here. So as mentioned, this particular hotel is by the kind of water here in Belfast. So this particular room here overlooks a set of offices just out there. And if we look to the right, you can start to see the kind of Titanic Quarter. So over here, this building on the right hand side is the W5 Museum, which is a lovely little venue and attraction here. And then just where that crane is essentially the start of the Titanic Quarter, where you can obviously visit the Titanic Museum. And obviously you're very close to the water. You can also get rooms that are facing that way, so you do get a nice view. This particular stay though, I've got this particular room here a little bit closer to the road. However, these windows here are very good at keeping the sound out. I haven't noticed any traffic, any noise or anything. So again, not a bad view, but mainly really nice and quiet, which is the main kind of thing for me in rooms like this. Now, as I've already touched on, the room is in a really nice location. It's a short walk just across the bridge to the other side, to the Titanic Quarter, where you have a couple of different restaurants, cafe, there's a subway, and you've also got access to attractions like the W5 Museum and the Titanic Museum as well. Really, really good. Definitely worth recommend checking out those if you're here. If you're also maybe staying here for a concert, the stadium is just across the way as well. So again, you've got really quick, easy access. You can walk across the bridge in a matter of maybe kind of 5 to 10 minutes, which is really handy. On site here at the hotel, there is a small little gym, nothing too much. It's just a couple of treadmills, exercise bike, and a couple of little weights. But if you do want to squeeze in a little workout, you have got the option to do that here. And there is also an on-site restaurant as well that I believe from memory is Jean-Christophe Novelli. If it's not, I'll put a note on the screen now, but I seem to recall that's what the restaurant was before. Again, they do breakfast here, lunch and dinner. Really lovely menu, and obviously you can eat outside or inside as well with the lovely view of the water. So it's a really lovely hotel. It's very reasonably priced and it's in a very good location. If you are doing a cruise perhaps from Belfast, again, very good location, maybe kind of nice to be by the water, potentially kind of see any kind of boats going up and down. So I would definitely recommend checking it out. But that's going to be all for this video. That's just a very quick tour of the room here in Belfast. I hope if you are looking at staying here, that's helped you out. Of course, if you have any questions about the room, the facilities, or anything like that, if you'd like to know about noise, how I find sleeping here, or anything like that, then leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. But in the meantime though, that's all for this video. Many thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.
Welcome back to the channel.
Ready for another cruise? Let's go!